Hi, and welcome to another training video with Antiference. My name's Dan, and in this video we're going to be looking at the basic programming of the DMHD01R. There's two ways of programming this device. You can program all the features on the front panel via the user interface, or you can connect it via a USB port into a laptop and use the Windows-based software that is available on our website as a download. So you can navigate your way to the product pages on the website, download the DMHD face, and connect it to the device, and this programming window will appear. Okay, so there's obviously quite a lot of settings here to look at, so we're just going to focus on the important ones for basic programming in this video. Okay, so there are a number of elements that we need to consider when we're doing basic programming. So the first one is the output channel number or the output frequency. The default is 474000. This is measured in kilohertz, and that is channel 21. So there is a channel to frequency conversion chart on our website, which you can download in the same location as the software is available, which is on the product page. And that will help you to work out which channel you need to be using, or rather which frequency you'll need to use for each channel. So channel output frequency is important, so we need to consider that. The RF level is adjusted here as a slider bar. That's also important to consider because these do produce an RF level of 85 dB, which is quite powerful. Most TV sets can handle between 45 and 65. A lot of them these days, more modern sets, can cope with up to 75, but we need to consider this if we're going to send it into a distribution amplifier and the cable runs are relatively short. If we're using it in a domestic environment, then we need to consider this. We've got up to 15 dB of adjustment in this slider bar. If I slide it all the way to the end, you can see it shows 15 dB. That still may not be enough, so it's worth considering possibly adding some external attenuation, possibly behind the TV sets or even on the output of the modulator itself. So output level we need to consider. We also need to consider how the TV, or where we're going to find the channel in the TV set. So that's done via the channel name and the LCN number. Okay, so we're looking at the service information as opposed to the network information. So you can see it's got a service ID of 1, and the name as default is DMHD01R. So we're going to change that now to Sky Q, for example. So now when the TV tunes into the transport stream that we're producing, the channel will appear and its name will be Sky Q. Okay, so it's nice and easy to find, but obviously you can name it whatever is most appropriate for your system. The other thing I mentioned is the LCN number. This stands for logical channel number, and what that part of the transport stream is a bit that tells the TV where to put the channel in the EPG. So BBC One's LCN is 1. So what we're going to do is select an appropriate LCN number here. They typically come in the 800s, these kind of products. So we've got it on 801, which actually isn't a bad place for it to be because it's well out of the way of everything else. It needs to be a unique number, a unique value. So they're the elements that you need to consider with basic programming, and once those elements have been considered and adjusted if required, then you can tune the TV in and hopefully you'll get the system up and running as you need it to be. So thanks for watching. Do check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. For more information on the product itself, visit antiference.co.uk. So thanks very much for watching.